This is Koko the Husky. Huskies come in many different colors, and Koko is black and gray. Let's see, using genetics, how Koko could have gotten this black and gray coat. Genetics in puppies. Epistasis, the possible and probable story of Koko the Husky. So what is epistasis? Epistasis is the interaction of genes, or what makes us us. There are 6 different modes: single dominant, single recessive, duplicate dominant, duplicate epistasis, and dominant recessive epistasis. We're going to be covering single dominant epistasis. So this is a very rough idea of what that pathway might look like in Huskies with fur coat colors. So different kinds of genes can inhibit or stop enzymes. So for instance, in our pathway, a big A inhibits enzyme 1, which would make a husky white. If it had little a, then our husky would be black and gray like Koko. This is just a quick example of what it could look like. So if we had a dihybrid cross, or parents with the same genotypes or the same genes, this is what it would look like. So a dihybrid cross with single dominant epistasis has a 12:3:1 ratio. So we would have 12 white, 3 brown, and 1 gray-black husky, which could be Koko. So what about a non-dihybrid cross? So in this instance, we have parents with genotypes big A, big B, and little a, big B. So this would give us a ratio of 8:8 white and brown huskies, which means Koko wouldn't be possible in this scenario. Sad face. And these are our references: the Genetics 311 lecture slides, and then the pictures of the white and brown husky came from Pinterest, 2 different Pinterest boards listed below. Thank you for listening.